Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to look at the pronunciation of a new word. The word for today is Deceptively. Deceptively. And this word divides itself into 4 syllables. First syllable is D, second syllable is sep, third syllable is tiv, and the fourth syllable is li. So first syllable is D, second syllable is sep, the third syllable is tiv, and the fourth syllable is li. Deceptively. Deceptively. Now, when you look at these 4 syllables, now tell me which syllable is likely to attract stress. The last syllable goes off, so we are left with 3 syllables, 1, 2, and 3. Deceptive. Tell me which has got a good chance of attracting the stress. So in a 4-syllable word, usually the first syllable will not, because the first syllable will not attract stress, because very rarely it will do that. We've discussed that, because there will be 3 unstressed syllables after that, and that English stress system avoids that. So we are left with 2 candidates, sep and tiv. And look at it, both sep and tiv are CVC, have CVC structure. Sep, tiv. Now this is difficult. Okay, so only when you listen to the pronunciation, you will be able to understand why a particular syllable has got either sep or tiv. Okay, so why a particular syllable has got it. So we'll see. We'll first listen to the pronunciation, and then we'll analyze. Why a particular syllable has got the stress. So in this 4-syllable word, there is only going to be 1 stress syllable. There is no chance of 2 stress syllables, and that will be the primary stress syllable. Okay, so listen to the pronunciation very carefully, and then we'll analyze the word, the pronunciation of the word, and why that particular syllable has attracted the stress. So the pronunciation of the word goes like this: deceptively, 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 deceptively. So if you notice the second syllable, I just want to share screen with you. Wait, let me share screen later. If you notice, the second syllable gets the stress. So it's deceptively, deceptively. So let me share screen with you, and let us see why this particular why is it that sep has got the receives the accent and not tiv. So all right. So if you look at it, the word for today is deceptively. And even before I mean, it's better we go straight to the transcription, so that we understand. Look, you have been told that if you encounter a CVC syllable, that will attract the stress. Okay. Now, why not tiv? Tiv is also a CVC syllable. Now, here is where you should not see this word in isolation. Like, for example, when we discussed Mediterranean, we looked at, we know that when a stress syllable occurs, there cannot be more than, or there is usually not more than 3 unstressed syllables after that. So if sep is the stress syllable, tiv, li, and then you'll have one more, at the most one more stress syllable, then you'll have to have another stress syllable. Now imagine, I'm always asking you to go from left to right. Now let us look at from right to left. Okay, let us assume that there is a word in front of deceptive, which comes before deceptive, not in front of, which comes before deceptive. What will you do then? Just imagine this. So we have deceptively, and let us assume that it's a 2-syllable word. Okay, so in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in this 6-syllable sequence, where should the other stress syllable be? So sep is there, you can have 1, 2, at the most 1. So sep occurs at the stress syllable occurs at the correct position. There's no doubt about that. If you give if you make tiv as the stress syllable in a 6-syllable sequence. So again, for better understanding, let me repeat. We have deceptively, it's a 4-syllable word. There is a 2-syllable word in front of that. Let me show it to you like this. There's a 2-syllable word in front of that. And if till is stressed, you have 1, 2, 3, and then a stress syllable. So you have 3 unstressed syllables. And what did I tell you? Usually English stress systems will avoid 3 unstressed syllables, or it will allow at the most 3 unstressed syllables. So SEP is at the correct position. If till were to be the uh, were to be the stress syllable, you will have 1, 2, 3, 3 unstressed syllables, and it's avoided. So what do we do when there are 2 CVC syllables? What do we do? So just follow this rule. Okay, I'll introduce this rule right away. Not rule exactly. You use this. I mean, what I'm saying is, we base it on certain rules, but these rules have exceptions. Okay, so from the left hand side of the word, look at the first stressed or the first CVC syllable. So from the left, which is the first CVC? SEP. Tiv is the second CVC. Okay, and also in a 4-syllable word, it's okay if you have 2 unstressed syllables after the stress syllable. And I gave you an example of a word which may come in front of deceptively. So based on that, SEP is a more likely candidate than TIV. So let me repeat. If there are 2 CVC syllables in a word, the first CVC syllable from the left-hand side of the word will attract the stress. If it is adjacent, if for example, here it comes adjacent, near each other, right? That is adjacent to each other. So TIV will not get it. But if let us assume a condition where it is deceptive, then what will happen is TIV will get the primary stress, this will get the secondary stress. Imagine a situation where this S goes here. Just follow the cursor. This S goes here. So what will happen here? SEP, if it goes here, it will become a CVC syllable. Okay. Sorry, is will go. So it will be deceptive. So what will happen here? First CVC syllable will get the secondary accent. The second CVC syllable will get the primary accent. So the third and the first syllable will be stressed. So yeah, so today we discussed something new. When there are 2 CVC syllables, what do we do? The first CVC syllable from the left-hand side of the word is more likely to attract stress. Okay. Okay, so this is how English system works. So let me share screen with you again, and share the practice the pronunciation. The word for today is deceptively. It's a 4-syllable word, and the second syllable carries the stress. Okay, and we also looked at the behavior of CVC syllables and why, not the behavior of CVC syllables, why do certain CVC syllables attract stress, or which CVC syllable will attract stress. So thanks a lot, people. Thanks a lot for watching. What we've discussed today is it's a rule which you have to mull over. You have to think about it, and think of other examples also. We will be discussing other examples also. Till then, goodbye. But please keep practicing. Look at all the words that we've discussed till now, and make a note of all of them. And yeah, best of luck. Goodbye, and please look forward to the next video.